Hi everyone, my name is Suniya Farooqui. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. I am a senior data analyst with the Social Impact Research Center. My work involves supporting data collection efforts, analyzing data, of course, and then also creating data visualizations. I'm passionate about this work because I get to use data to bring about meaningful change. But not only that, we use data to make connections between the stories that we're seeing and hearing and what's going on in our communities. So that data is not just numbers anymore. It's actually more meaningful because there's voices behind it, and that data and those stories get lifted up and taken to decision holders and key stakeholders that could make really meaningful change within our communities. Most recently, the project I worked on was involves creating an interactive dashboard. So the dashboard takes you through the different sections of the signature report and gives you very high level overlook of those sections. So it's kind of cool. You get to play around with it. So it's a really short and concise version of the signature report. The report really focuses on using data and evidence-based work to lift up problems that are facing our communities, and it provides like recommendations at different levels for state level policymakers and federal policymakers on how to make change and bring solutions to the problems facing our communities. This is our 20th edition of the Signature Report on Illinois poverty. This edition focused on the pandemic and how it deepened systematic oppressions for Black and Latino Illinoisans. We use data from the census as well as the Illinois Department of Public Health to analyze outcomes of infections, death, mental health, and economic indicators. I've been here almost for 10 years, and I've stayed on because of my team. We don't shy away from addressing inequities that we see, and it could even be in our team, and that could be uncomfortable, but we are always willing to be vulnerable and speak up. And also when policies and programs that we're evaluating, if we see that there are inequities, that a program or a policy has detrimental effects on our communities, we're not afraid to call it out and lift it up. So that's why I just love being our team. It's just amazing, and they're just champions.